Hi students, let's see one more problem. What is the problem? Boron has smaller first ionization enthalpy than beryllium. So that is okay. Boron, if you see student, boron is 5. So what is coming? 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Now you see 2p1 is neither half filled nor full filled. So this is the unstable. Unstable means what student? If you talk about unstable, so low IE. Now you see the beryllium is 4. So beryllium is 4 means 1s2 and it is going to be 2s2. So what is there student? Here is the 2 electron is there. So 2 electron is there means stable. So that is high IE. So that is first one student. You see they are saying boron has smaller first IE than beryllium. So this is the very true. Okay, statement is correct. Now see the penetration power of 2s electron to the nucleus is more than 2p electron. Hence 2p electron is more shielded, no less shielded. No, this is the less shielded because the penetration of 2s electron to the nucleus is more than 2p. So more than 2p is there, more penetration is 2s than 2p. So shielding if a 2p electron is less shielded, okay, by the inner core of electron than the 2s electron. Okay, wait. The penetration of 2s electron to the nucleus is more. Penetration of 2s electron to the nucleus is more than 2p electron. Hence 2p electron is more shielded by the inner core electron than the 2s electron. Now you see student how the statement is there. This is the nucleus. Here suppose it is 1s, then it is 2s, then 2p. Okay, it means what is there student? It means that is which electron will be more shielded? This will be what is there? More shielded. This is more shielded. This is more shielded. It means low IE. Low IE. Right, this will be low IE. So here the penetration of 2s electron to the nucleus is more than the 2p electron. That is correct. Hence 2p electron is more shielded by the inner core electron than the 2s electron. It means it is correct. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not correct explanation. Let us try to understand here what is there. Upon ionization, the electron removed in the case of beryllium is from the s orbital and from p orbital of boron atom. The penetration effect of 2s electron to nucleus is more than the 2p electron. Therefore 2p electron of boron is more shielded from the nucleus than the 2s electron of beryllium. Okay, so here you read out, therefore 2p electron of boron is more shielded from the nucleus than the 2s electron boron. So more shielded means less IE. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So that is, it is the correct one student. This is the correct statement. So option A is correct, dear friend. You can read out 10 times, you will be able to understand this concept. Okay, thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comments.